The idea behind Altruist Sunscreen came from consultant dermatologist Dr. Andrew Birnie and a chance meeting with a man called David Westerbeek van Eerten, who worked in a company that produced sunscreen. And together they came up with an idea to make their own high-performance budget product to encourage more people to keep themselves protected.
The name hopefully tells you exactly what our ethos is all about. To start with, it's actually quite difficult to come up with a name for a new product because most things have been trademarked already. So we sort of started thinking about things that involved skin or derma or sun, but actually they've pretty much all gone. So we changed thinking, well, how are we going to tell people what it is that we're about? And we thought we liked the name Altruist as it shows that we are altruistic and we're doing this to try and do something positive for other people.
Is there ever like a specific time when you should start wearing sunscreen? We get these ads on telly and we start seeing them more prominently in supermarkets around the summertime. When is the right time and should we always be protected?
I think to some degree it depends on why you want to wear sunscreen. If you're wearing sunscreen purely to reduce your risk of skin cancer, then probably you could be all right from around about beginning of March to the end of October. But you should be using it all the way through there, every day, and whenever you go out, because the sun in Gib is very strong. If you're using it for actually to try and keep yourself looking young, to minimise your aging effects, then actually using it every single day, because the UVA, which is the wavelength that penetrates deeper into the skin and causes aging. We're not sure how much of a risk of skin cancer it has, but certainly it's thought to have some. But UVA levels are pretty much the same year round, whereas it's the UVB that people are aware of because that's the one that causes burning and that peaks in the summer. So really, if you can afford to, if you're prepared to, using it every day if you live in Gibraltar is probably the sensible thing.